Hello and welcome. Time for the 24th edition of Monday Review with Aarti Kapoor. We give you the Times of India's weekly home update of print news from Chandigarh, Mohali and Panchkula. Top news: Stop the Bullets. Student outfit SOPU's former state president Gurlal Barar was shot dead outside an industrial area mall when the ex-deviate left the nightclub to give car keys to a friend. Soon after, the Babiha gang posted "Revenge for the Lavi Deora" on Facebook, and the Lawrence Bishnoi gang threatened to reply. Barar live posing with guns, reckless, flashy, and lawless. Meet the Dons.
Dilpreet Singh Daha. On April 9, 2017, he kills a Hoshiarpur Sarpanch with automatic rifle burst in public outside a Chandigarh Gurdwara. April 14, 2018, fires at Punjabi singer Parmesh Verma in Mohali. June 1, 2018, extortion call to Punjabi singer Gippy Garewal. July 10, 2018, arrested in a shootout at ISBT 43. Lawrence Bishnoi. Since 2015, this ex-student leader runs an empire of contract killing, arms trade, extortion, and other crimes from Rajasthan jail. Being a Bishnoi, he once plotted to kill actor Salman Khan for the 1998 Black Buck poaching. September 28, 2019, got rival Sonu Shah shot inside his office in Budel. May 28 and June 2, 2020, got a house in Sector 33 and a wine shop in Sector 9 peppered with bullets to terrify businessmen. Davinder Bambiha. February 22, 2016, he put 14 bullets into a sarpanch at a wedding. September 2016, Punjab's Pablo Escobar was killed in Bathinda police encounter. March 12, 2020, his shooter Lucky takes down bouncer Surjit Singh in Sector 38.
Dangerous people. Day after Barar murder, former TikTok star Saurabh Gujjar took a bullet in the thigh. His dance floor fight with the taunter had spilled into the parking lot after bouncers threw them out. 3 shots came at him. The same day, cops cracked the 48 hours old Zirakpur road rage shooting with 3 arrests. After 2 shootings, the UT Excise Department is asked to list the follies of nightclubs, discos and restaurants. Serving liquor without permit is a common offence, and the booze leads to the brawls. Coming to the pandemic, Chandigarh's COVID death rate went up from 1.3% to 1.48%, as even the daily growth dipped and the recovery increased. 90% of the victims had underlying conditions. But in Mohali, let's check out why Barinder Singh Saluja is worried.
COVID-19 patients under home isolation in Mohali are disconnecting the phone calls being made from pre-issued emergency numbers to check their well-being. This monitoring is required to ensure they are well informed and able to escalate any health issue in time. The 104 medical helpline team is making daily calls from 90419 01590 and 4071400 to all home quarantined patients aged above 40.
It will be good for them to listen. Thanks, Barinder. Show resumes. Movie started playing in the theatres after 7-month pause on Friday, but could not pull the audience. But hope floats as long as there are hard-die cinema buffs. Piyush Sarna's ground report.
This is Piyush Sarna and we are today reporting live from a cinema hall in Chandigarh where people have come out of their houses after a period of around 7 to 8 months due to the COVID-19 outbreak. And we'll talk to the people who came out of their houses to watch a movie on how was their experience amidst the outbreak.
Hi, I'm Shivani and I live in Kharar. मैं इतनी दूर से सेंट्रल मॉल आई थी मूवी देखने के लिए and very happy because I enjoyed a lot inside और purely safe था. वहाँ पे आप अपने relatives, friends के साथ visit कर सकते हो.
public isn't trying to be hero. Thanks, Piyush. Smog sequel starts. A relaxed, unlock and an unactive stubble fire season in Punjab and Haryana have fouled the city's air. An analysis.
From a good level during lockdowns 2 and 3, Chandigarh's Air Quality Index or AQI has now entered the moderate belt of 100 to 140. It remained good at below 100 until October. The city air at 4 pm on March 27 was the cleanest in the country, with an index of 17. Chandigarh's AQI in the week was 109 on October 11, 110 on October 12, 125 on October 13, 131 on October 14, 115 on October 15, 112 on October 16 and 124 on October 17, all through in the range of moderate, meaning there can be breathing discomfort to the people with asthma and heart disease. Prominent pollutant was particulate matter 10, field fires the main source.
Citing pandemic, the administration has also closed hookah bars in the city for 60 days. Moving out, Panchkula is trying a new model of garbage collection in 5 sectors. Arvind Bishnoi explains how it works.
4 dustbins will separate dry, wet, home, biomedical and hazardous waste. Kitchen shavings will go into the first, paper, plastic, foils and cans into the second, used syringes, diapers and expired medicines into the third, and old mobiles, chargers and wires into the fourth. Tricycles will gather this. A Gurgaon NGO will compost the wet refuse at the sanitation parks in Pinjore and industrial area Panchkula.
A good initiative and well explained, Arvind. The Chandigarh Municipal Corporation has allowed 28 Ramleela committee to perform. Punjab University's unbroken Urdu Ramleela tradition since the Lahore days of 1935 gets discontinued. The first curtain goes up in Sector 7. Say hello to citizen reporters.
TUI citizen reporter Jagdeep Inder Singh Dhillon finds out how roads have turned into dust chambers in Sector 44 in the absence of water sprinkling process during recarpeting work. He also highlights the poor condition of boards meant to give direction to different sectors. While citizen reporter Ishwar Gupta takes up the plight of a cycle track in Sector 49, Rahul Tiwari warns authorities to act against litterbugs and garbage collectors in Sector 42. You can also be a part of CUI Citizen Reporter team. For that, please download the CR app from Google Play or App Store.
Send in your contribution and keep reading TUI. To get your copy, call us at this number 1800 121 0005. See you next week. Stay safe.